Well, hey there, it's your girl PW giving you the know-how on the how-to for fashion. And today we're going to talk about how do you fix ripped jeans. You remember how we destroyed those jeans and you thought we were rock stars? Probably not. So we should probably put them back together. Let me show you how to fix them once you've ripped them up and done everything to them. And let me show you how to put them back together seamlessly. Okay, ladies and gents, you ever been doing the dip? That's, the dip. The dip is when you bend down and try to get that last little bit of oomph inside your jean and you get this rip. This is a very, very common rip. I know you're laughing, but it's the truth. So what we want to do is flip it in, end to end, and put the fray in the middle. And we want to start from side seam to side seam. We want to go in. I'm doing it in a lighter color so that you and I'm going around. Do you see that? Because that's a little bit more of a secure stitch. I'm pulling in. Here's the thread. Around the needle. Pull. It's a more secure stitch. We're going to go in. Around. Up. So we just want to keep that stitch going all the way across until we finish. It's good to do it on the sewing machine, but sometimes I think it's better to do this kind of stitch by hand because it's really secure. So gents, if you don't have a sewing machine, ladies, if you have a sewing machine, take it right to the sewing machine. But if you do it on a sewing machine, you have to turn your jeans inside out. You guys see that, how that's going to work? And if you do it in the same color, you're really not going to be able to tell because I'm lining up the exact snubs from the seam over. This is where I started from. That's the rip. Well, I hope I've taught you how to fix some ripped jeans. Watch what jeans you practice on because we think we're rock stars on Monday. On Tuesday, we want to sew our jeans back together. It's your girl PW on the How To. Signing off. Bye now.